Wet day. Let's go to Home Depot. I have an emissions light. Idle too lean. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm out here with the Atto by Extra. And it's a good camera. Nothing wrong with it. I'm getting some footage. Gotta go get some Terra, an indoor potting mix, maybe some outdoor potting mix. I don't think Daplatinas, the Rios, are out yet. And I don't know if I want to get some flowers like I did the last time to show. I may just do that for just one of the planters in the front. I'm not super excited, but I'm excited that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 came out. Well, we know that we're going to have 4K 240 versus 120. I don't need that. D-Log N versus now D-Log. I don't need that either. Giving us f-stop? I thought we had f-stop. 2 extra steps? I really don't need that. Get myself out, people, not to get the Pocket 4. I really don't need to have another camera like so. But it's great to have an updated camera so we can continue to do our work. Well, I am where I need to be at. I got a couple of minutes to hang out. Well, I'm starting to head in. Maybe I'll go see what the flowers look like. And yeah, they got chairs, which I don't need, and barbecue, coal, and people are waiting. Well, the door's opening up for us. They're letting in. I need to carefully read. It says indoor, and the bugs are here. This says indoor, and it don't say indoor. Just gotta carefully see the words indoor. I'm not gonna pass this up 2 for $16. That's a pretty good price, either one. Terra. There we go. I don't need that much. I just need a good container's worth. That's the first time I've seen this one. I might as well get 1 or 2. Somebody said this was like $2, $5 for 2. Alright, I got it before the rain is coming down. I got indoor, outdoor, soil, potting mix, Terra, deep outside, and I got one more thing. I just can't remember. We need an auto, landscape, vertical lock. We don't need it to rotate. Even if we hit start, we need to lock that screen. Let me grab with my other hand. That's what I came there for. And this. 2 important things. Get some planting going. I don't want to rip the bag, but something is grabbing it. Come on, baby. There we go. Little corners is always grabbing it. 1 more bag to go. Push it in. Make sure it clears. Close the car. Try to get this cart back into his cage. Right here. Is it gonna fit? Not at all. Now it's closed up. Let's get on out of here. Go where we need to be. I'm ready to go. I'm not ready to plant. I just got it prepared because let me go see. I think those are them. I'm gonna go in and go see. It never hurts to double check. We'll walk on in, take a look. This way when I come back, I know what I'm checking out.
What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going? So let's get on going to where I thought I saw what I saw. And no, they weren't dapplitinias. Well, right over here, this is what I saw. Rio dapplitinias. Yes, indeed. So they're out. They're on sale for $6.98. I think I could wait. For $6.98 per is not a sale. At least we know they're out. They're in stock. They're the greatest plants to get now for the reasons of you don't gotta water them. Water them once, they last all summer right up to the dead of frost and more. Let's get on out of here. I don't love Home Depot plants here. They don't look like they're healthy. They look like they just are second pickings almost at times. But that's how it is, man. That's how it is. Let's get on going. That's what I would forget. That's what I didn't get. Flowers. This is $4.19. That is a high price for gas today. Let the rain come on in. Let it wash things away. And let's get to a beautiful day. You know what's so beautiful about this? Where are the people sleeping? They can't sleep here no more. They were behind us. Well, I'm Fish. Welcome to my Home Depot vlog for the day. Time for me to go get started and go meet up with Joe. Business, I'll take care of. Have a great one. I'll see you on the next landscape video.